Now, some may ask, why impeachment? Why not leave this to the courts? The answer is simple, Madam Chair. Because impeachment is sui generis. It is unique. Oo. It stands alone. It is a unique constitutional process. Criminal courts determine guilt and punishment, but impeachment answers a different question. Is this official still fit to hold the trust of the Filipino people? That determination belongs to Congress. Ladies and gentlemen, belongs to Congress. Others will say that a previous impeachment complaint was dismissed. That is true. But that decision was based on a procedural technicality involving the one-year bar rule, not on the merits of the allegations. This complaint presents new evidence, including issues involving SALNs and unexplained wealth that have never been adjudicated. The Constitution demands that these allegations be examined. And finally, Madam Chair, my dear colleagues, some will say that this process is political. To that, I say, impeachment is indeed political in the sense that it is entrusted to elected representatives. But it is not partisan. It is political in the same way that democracy itself is political, Madam Chair, because it involves the people's right to hold their leaders accountable. Our duty here is simple. It is not to convict, it is not to condemn, but to determine whether these allegations deserve the full process that the Constitution provides. If we refuse even to examine them, we send a dangerous message that powerful officials can evade scrutiny simply by attacking the process. But if we proceed with fairness, sobriety, and respect for due process, we affirm something far more important than any political victory. We affirm that in the Philippines, the Constitution still reigns supreme and that no one, not even the Vice President, is above the law. Why? Because public office is both a public trust and a sacred trust. Uulitin ko po, Madam Chair, hindi po ito biro. This is not a joke. This is a solemn responsibility. And perhaps these words would also issue a warning to some of our colleagues that will make stupid analogies. Analogies, Mr. Chair. I would not hesitate even to question that. Ito po, seryoso po ito. Gawin nating seryoso ang impeachment complaint na ito. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair and my dear colleagues.
Thank you, Honorable